Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your planning briefing for Thursday, April 17th. Some key points. Main dry period being Friday into Saturday morning. Warming temperatures, turning breezy on Saturday afternoon and shower chances return. And then looking at an unsettled period with breezy afternoons Saturday through the middle of next week. Perhaps a few past level snow impacts. Looking at the weather threat matrix, you can see a little bit of a hint of wind there on Saturday afternoon for west central Montana. Otherwise, a focus mostly for Monday with snow on the passes, perhaps a few thunderstorms and some breezy to windy conditions. Minimum relative humidity, Friday on the left, Saturday on the right. Check those out. Friday being the slightly drier day. And here's a model reflectivity showing the front gradually pushing through with some showers across the area on Saturday afternoon. There is an isolated threat of thunder and once again some breezy winds with the showers. Looking at the temperature forecast, just find your favorite location or location that's nearby you. Friday being the warmest day in the nearer term, and then it does warm up again later next week. Here's some minimum RH for our locations. Once again, the drier days being Friday and then later next week. Some wind potential here as we look at the wind forecast. Certainly not strong winds necessarily, but given the time of year, spring tends to be fairly breezy, So you can see those breezes really kick in Saturday and continue through the latter part of the period into next week. Now looking at sky cover, a similar trend. The clear skies being Friday into Saturday morning. We do have that unsettled period over the weekend into Monday, and then a bit of a mix match as we go into the latter part, or the middle and latter part of next week. Precipitation, check that out. It's mainly a Sunday, Monday event as far as the next precipitation episode. Very, very minor for the snow amounts that are currently forecast. Not expecting that to change a whole lot. Maybe a few impacts on the passes. You can see our snow levels Saturday about 6,000 feet, dropping to about 5,000 feet on Sunday, as low as 4,000, 4,500 feet on Monday. Looking a bit further ahead, near normal temperatures and precipitation near normal as well. It just looks to stay kind of that spring roller coaster, where we get an unsettled period for several days, maybe a brief ridge for a day or two, and then back to unsettled. That looks to continue perhaps all the way through the beginning of May. Well, that's all we have for today. Please join us again. The next scheduled briefing is Sunday, the 20th of April. You have a good day.